On this episode, we're adding washer fluid 2018 Hyundai Tucson. So you get in the car and turn it on. Washer fluid low, low washer fluid. Okay, what do? Turn the key off, take the key out. Down here by your left foot, this is my right foot, don't get it mixed up. Left foot, see this? Give it a pull. You'll hear the hood release. So the hood is released, but it won't go up. There's a little latch right here on top of the H. Push it up, hood comes up. This yellow rod goes up here in the bottom of the hood. So this is your prop rod. Pick it up, and there's a slot right here. It goes in and then it'll lock in place and it holds your hood up. So if we look at this whole engine compartment, there's not a lot of stuff that we can fill up. So if we go over here, this one is for brakes. We're not worried about that. This one is for coolant, min max. And so the label on the coolant says don't open it. It'll pop up, it'll burn you when it's hot. But then if you look right here, this blue one says washer only, and it has the same symbol that was on the dashboard. So you're just gonna pick it up like that. So you can buy washer fluid from the auto parts store, the big box stores, Lowe's, Walmart. Practically everybody has them. So they're gonna look blue, kind of like Windex or window cleaner, and you just pour it in. Now then there's also a low temperature one that's minus 32 degrees. It's usually green or orange, pinkish color. And that's so it doesn't freeze into a block if you live up north. This is Texas, so we don't really have to worry about freezing. But what goes in here? Water, washer fluid, vinegar and water, you know, whatever you want to do for cleaning your windshield purposes. So little Dawn dish soap, about that much. This is just water straight out of the hose, like you used to drink when you were a kid. The soap bubbles are at the top, the water's down below somewhere, but I can see it. It's right down here at the base of this neck. But you can run it over till the water comes out, and then just close that. And now your washer fluid is refilled. It will spray out of these squirters and clean your windshield when necessary. Kind of simple once you figure out where everything is. Car off, pull the lever down by your left leg, pull the handle over here to open the hood, use the prop rod, pop this open, and put your mixture in here. Whatever you choose, water, straight is fine. The windshield washer fluids are fine. You can make your own windshield washer fluid like I just did with a little soap and just plain water out of the hose. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care. To my lovely wife, if you will please like this video because I made it for you.